OPEC Plus is in a state of panic as it loses market share due to Russia's success in attracting customers in Asia. Middle Eastern countries fear further loss of market share to Russia. Last year, Russia's Urals oil prices dropped, leading to increased Russian crude oil exports to Asia. India's imports from the Middle East sharply declined, while imports from Russia reached record levels. China reduced imports from West Africa and increased imports from Russia. US and European exports to India and China also decreased. Weak Asian demand causes an oversupply situation, with millions of barrels of West African crude oil piling up in South African storage facilities as Asia shifts towards Russian oil. UK pound reaches highest level against yen in over 7 years. The pound surpassed the 173 yen mark as the Bank of Japan maintains its ultra-loose monetary policy, causing the yen to weaken against major currencies. April's inflation rate of 8.7% and core inflation of 6.8%, the highest in 31 years, exceeded economists' expectations. Market projections indicate a 100% likelihood of another interest rate hike in June, with more increases anticipated thereafter. The divergent monetary policies between the Bank of England and the Bank of Japan make the yen vulnerable to further selling pressure. Traders are eyeing key levels of 180 yen per pound and 195 yen, the 2015 high before the UK's Brexit decision, as they assess the potential for further gains in the sterling. U.S. House Rules Panel to meet Tuesday on Debt Ceiling Bill. U.S. House Rules Committee to discuss Debt Ceiling Bill on Tuesday. The bill needs to pass Congress before June 5 to avoid default. Biden and McCarthy have agreed to temporarily suspend the debt ceiling. The deal faces criticism from both Republicans and Democrats. McCarthy expects Republican support, while Jeffries expects Democratic support. The agreement includes debt limit suspension until January 1, 2025, spending caps, COVID fund recovery, energy project fast-tracking, and additional work requirements for food aid programs. The bill authorizes over $886 billion for security spending in 2024 and over $703 billion for non-security spending, with a 1% increase for 2025 security spending. Heavy rain floods China's top wheat province ahead of harvest. Rain floods wheat fields in China's Henan province, raising concerns about crop quality and pushing up prices. Wheat germinates and leaves leaf blight due to rain. Despite expectations of a bumper crop, the rain has impacted the harvest. The rain has supported prices, but the full impact is yet to be seen. The Henan government is taking measures to speed up the harvest.